For years, OLED gaming was a luxury, but AOC recently dropped the Q27G4ZDR gaming monitor, and with its insane colors and 240Hz refresh rate, it is officially my new upgrade this year. In my last video, I did a full unboxing and setup, but I actually failed. I tried to remove the film, but thought that this monitor didn't have one. Later, after getting in touch with AOC, I found out that this monitor does have a protective film that you can safely take off, even if the small sticker snaps off without the film. I'm telling you this for your information because I actually used the monitor with the film on for a while. I was just too scared of my grandma's anger if I ended up damaging the screen. But talking about my feelings in this monitor, it's almost 27 inches, which is perfect for my small desk. It has a very versatile stand that lets you use the monitor in all sorts of positions, even vertically. VESA wall mount support, and a nice bonus is the built-in USB hub and headphone out. I also really like the monitor wide menu, which has some great features for gamers. This is a very nice upgrade if you like 240Hz and want to see the best possible colors on your desk. If you have any questions, I am open to answering them. But now, back to gaming.